All right, fifth graders, welcome to week 2 of our phonics work. All right, today's day 1, Monday. All right, and our goal for today is I can read, review, and practice high frequency words. All right, so this is a pattern that you're very familiar with. Remember, our goal is to become better readers and spellers. And our routine is to say the word, spell it in our heads, read it, practice writing it, and then the final step, step 5, is writing the sentences using the words. All right, and on slide 2, you'll see the words. Today we have do, does, done, don't, and down. All right, so 5 words is our focus for today. And once you work through the routine, you'll end up with your 5 sentences in your notebook.